Bless up to everybody. We're out here today again. So today we are going to take care of some mass on the roof. We're going to take one there with me. See it go.
All I need is good energy. I don't need no negativity around me. High frequency. I'm talking higher G-O-D, yeah, yeah. Good energy. I don't need no negativity around me. High frequency. I'm talking higher G-O-D. The rose quartz, that fluorite, crystal vision, intuition, foresight. Even my lucid dreams started getting more right. Now I waste more days and I live for more nights. I get high on life cause it feels more right, yeah. Tell me what's wrong from right. It's all connected, energy can never die.